Rating Boeing and Airbus planes. Woohoo! Oh, wait, ignore that I'm on 50. Okay, so let's start off with. Oh yeah, the Dash 80 or 707. You gotta give it to it. This was one of the first jet engines by Boeing. You gotta give it to it. And in fact, it's because all of its stock is dead. Hey, this guy's a freaking soul. You gotta give it to him. Just that he started the jet age for them. BT, it's fine. Because look at that livery he has. Anyways, this has already been a minute, kind of. Now, for the second ever plane. Anyways. The 727. Second plane made by them. 717 wasn't the first. It wasn't the second the 717 wasn't the first plane and by the second plane by Boeing is because a long time before the 717 was built and the 717 was not from Boeing, it was from McDonnell Douglas. So it's called the MD-95 until a long time later it was turned into the Boeing plane. So anyways, the 727 B tier. Actually, C tier, it's fine. And it's just that it was really loud, like really loud. That's why I put it in C tier. Just that even though it's my favorite type of plane, because it's the first tri-jet. Anyways, yeah, I'll do the 757 now. S tier, Glory. It's the pencil plane. One of the best planes a pilot would tell you. It's such glory, but too bad they discontinued it. And now only United has them Iceland there, and probably a bunch of more. I have to Google it up again, but otherwise everything here would be vanishing. I hate why this ad is down here. So, no, okay, yeah, I almost said the N word. Anyways, 737. I'm sorry to you AvGeek fans, but garbage. A little bit too of an NPC guy, not too authentic. I don't really like it. Actually, I'll just put it in E tier. Probably try your best. 767. Not bad. And A tier. 747. It was once the glory of the skies. Sadly, it was discontinued. And the A380 took its place. Actually, no. The Antonov An-225 killed the A380 size. It was like massive. Sorry to mention that. So, S tier again. What a glory. 717. Nice. A tier. Just the thing that I made a sketch of it. This is really old. It wasn't when I was like really. Why is the engine smoking? And that means that's it's burnt. And what is that at Qantas? Anyways, only 2 of this left. Dita, it's fine. I'm gonna have to do this without hesitation. B tier. Only just that it was just the 200 was longer than this A380. Wait, for a second I thought that was a Wikipedia, and it's fake. Wait, just the 200. Basically, I am already dead weight. Anyways, we'll start off with, where's the A300? Oh, there. Somehow one of my favorites, even though it looks like an NPC plane. Someone would probably maybe put this in F. I put it in B tier. A little bit of a tint of NPC. I just like it since its brother, the A310, the second Airbus plane that was built, was of course in Germany. Sorry, I forgot to cut this. And also same for the A310 BT. Next, we have Luftwaffe. Hold on, wait. Let me just translate. No. Alright, it's air cotton? What the? Okay. Back to the A400. 80, just because it was in Germany. Hard. A380 B tier. Just not because it was in Germany. It's just because it was bigger than the 747, which makes it D tier. We like the 747 better. If you want, you can hit the like button if you agree. It's fine if you don't want to. Just hit it if you want. Anyways. Oh yeah, please subscribe. I'm hitting 100. I want 100. Oh yeah, at least the Antonov 225 is bigger than the A380. Haha. Anyway, not to hate on any Airbus lovers. Anyways, A350 S tier. Just cause look at those funny winglets. Look at the bendy. Look at the bendy winglet. So funny. Like this, and then you like this. It's just kind of like a slide if you're a tiny person. Oh yeah, it's also just that the nose is so pointy. Anyways, I'll get these stupid ads out. The A220. Another pencil plane, but it's one that's been used over 10 decades. I meant 10 years. Which is just a decade. So, A tier, it's fine. Oh, there you go. A330. Wait, oh yeah, that's the A340. What a coincidence. Just that they're so similar. The pencil plane and all of its tail strikes B tier. A tier. Without hesitation. Oh boy. Nice. Now only up to the A2 family. The A318, the baby bus. Everyone knows that. ATF for its cuteness. Wait, hold on, let me check. Yes, A319, one of my favorites. BTF. Congratulations! It's put on D tier with no hesitation. A321, it's fine. Wait a minute. 1 second. What about the knee and the XLR? But they're kind of the same thing, plus they still have the Neo windows, right? Why?